Amid a sharp and continuous rise in daily new COVID-19 cases, Northeast India also continues to battle second wave of coronavirus. Assam on April 13 reported an alarming spike of 590 fresh new COVID-19 cases, which takes the total tally of active case load to 2,924. With one more fatality, the total cases of fatalities add up to 1,119. With the state witnessing the second wave of coronavirus infections, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma reviewed preparedness to deal with the pandemic at different places. Meanwhile, 14 fresh cases were reported in Arunachal Pradesh on Tuesday, the highest one-day spike in 2021, pushing the tally in the state to 16,902, a senior health department official said. The state currently has 55 active cases, while 56 people have so far died due to the disease. And in Manipur, the total number of COVID-19 active cases has surged to 118 after 26 people, including 23 civilians, were tested positive for the virus during the last 24 hours. This is the highest surge on a single day in 2021. The cumulative number of positive cases is 29,540, of which 26,083 are from general population and 3,457 are from security personnel, while the death toll remained at 376. Mizoram's COVID-19 case load mounted to 4,685 as 30 more people tested positive for the infections, a health official said. Mizoram has now 204 active cases, while 4,469 people have recovered from the disease and 12 patients have succumbed to the infection till date. On the other hand, Meghalaya on Tuesday recorded a spike in COVID-19 cases with 87 new cases recorded, taking the number of active cases to 270. Of the new cases recorded, 48 are returnees. According to Director of Health Service, Dr. Amantwar, the total person tested till date is 4,24,940, out of which 4,10,553 tests were negative and 14,387 were confirmed cases, while 151 people have died so far due to the infection. And in Nagaland, COVID-19 tally rose to 12,427 as 11 more persons tested positive for the infection on Tuesday. The 11 new COVID-19 cases were reported from Dimapur, Kohima, Phek and Wakha district. Nagaland currently has 174 active COVID-19 cases, while 11,995 people have recovered from the disease. The death toll stands at 93. While in Sikkim, 25 persons including 2 tourists in Gangtok have tested COVID-19 positive from the 230 samples tested on Monday. As per the Tuesday night health bulletin, the active COVID-19 tally in Sikkim has increased to 175. And with the second wave of COVID-19 hitting India hard, Tripura on Tuesday recorded the highest single-day COVID-19 case spike of the year with 62 new fresh cases. Moreover, 2 people have also succumbed to COVID-19 this month. At present, the number of active COVID-19 cases in the state stands at 273. Bureau Report.